Everyone, this is the fourth video in the LEAP series where I'm talking about my social service model LEAP, which is literacy, empowerment, ability, and participation. I started LEAP back in 2017 and it's been 3 years now, and we are going super strong. And in the past videos, I've been sharing how I started LEAP, what we do, and the key milestones in LEAP. So, in this video, I just wanted to talk about the kind of standpoint that we are there at the moment, what is happening in LEAP, what is the future direction, and what are we focusing on. So whenever there's a company or there's a business, they all hit that 3 year sweet spot, that 3 year mark where either you can stay and work in the business model or in the model that has been very well proven, you have proven the concept, and it's delivering results, or you can really take a hard look and say it's going great, but we need to keep working on it and we need to keep it very relevant to the current needs. And I think as an entrepreneur and as a social service worker, that is what I want to do. I want to make sure that this model stays relevant at all times. So recently in the society, of course, so much has been happening. Our lives have been personally touched by a pandemic, and we have come face to face with a lot of realities, hard truths, and people have come forward to show their support. And I think in such situations, it is even more of a responsibility to be a quality volunteer. And what do I mean when I say that? So a lot of us, like I mentioned in the previous videos, volunteer and have that goodness in our heart to go out of our way and help somebody, but we don't always know what to do, or there are some personal biases, some stereotypes that unconsciously hinder us, or that we are not ready to accept and break. And a true volunteer's journey is also a journey of that is very personal to them. So whenever you're outside in the society and helping somebody, that will change you as a person as well, if you are very relentless with it, if you stick to it, and if you keep doing it on a consistent basis. And that is what I've seen in all my volunteers. And that is the idea I started with, that I wanted to make sure that each of my volunteer gets the same thing back that they are giving to the society. So they have people who are investing in them, in their resources, their upskilling, their knowledge, their personality. And that is what I've done with most of my volunteers. Have one-on-one conversations, make sure that I have enough support for them to go forward in their professional lives as well, because these two things are not far from each other, a professional and a personal career. So that is my basic question to everybody. This video is going to be super short, but it is going to ask one question: what are we doing for our volunteers? So to all the other social entrepreneurs, to people who have started these amazing projects, who have so many volunteers, who are giving to the society, what are we doing for our volunteers? How are we making sure that they are the real gems? They become leaders. They take away so much more than just a certificate. They take away so much more than just 2 months of going to an NGO and doing something. They take away real values. They're able to break apart from their own personal biases that they didn't even know exist. They're able to look at things and see this is a problem and this is how I will tackle it. They know what social entrepreneurs really are. So what are you doing for your volunteers? Let me know. And in the next video, I'll share what my plan is to do for my volunteers. Thank you.